Greetings to you all. Welcome to Iswari's English. In this video, we are going to see paragraphs for slow bloomers. ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவாக படிக்கக்கூடிய கஷ்டப்படுற பிள்ளைகளுக்கு சுருக்கி கொடுத்துருக்குறோம். His first flight. ப்ரோஸ்க்குரிய paragraph. The young seagull was afraid to fly on seeing the stretched water. He was hungry and ate eggshells. His parents tried several times to make him fly. He was afraid to flap his wings. Times. Times. At last, his mother kept a fish out of his reach to teach him fly. He maddened by hunger and dived at the fish. He realized that he could fly and made his first flight. Then life poem. The poet wants to lead a better life. He wants neither hurry nor turn anywhere. He never mourns for the last things. He is not afraid of future. He is ready to continue his journey as he wants. He expects new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. He moves for the better time and hopes his journey will be the best. Life is a game. Play it. Life is a challenge. Face it. Then supplementary paragraph, The Tempest, developing hintsல கேட்பாங்க. ஹெட்டிங் எழுதிட்டு பேராகிராஃப் எழுதி மாரல் எழுதினாதான் பேட்டர்ன். Prospero was a famous Duke of Milan. He and his daughter Miranda were in an island since Antonio, his brother, betrayed him. There they met Ariel, the good spirit. He was chief of all spirits and helped Prospero in raising a violent storm. Ariel obeyed and brought the enemies one by one. They realized their mistakes. Prospero was ready to forgive them all. He wanted Miranda to get married to Ferdinand. They all reached their places happily. Moral: forgiveness is a virtue of the brave. Then chandelier இந்த படத்தில் பார்க்குறது zigzag. அது கொண்டு போய் ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் அண்ட் நட்ஸை டெபாசிட் பண்ண இடம் இல்லையா? எஸ், சிக்ஸாக்கும் டெவலப்பிங் ஹின்ஸில் தான் நமக்கு ரெண்டே சப்ளிமெண்ட்ரி பேராகிராஃப் தான். ஸோ ரெண்டையும் கொடுத்துட்டேன். டாக்டர் சோமு ஆஸ்ட் ஹிஸ் கசின் டாக்டர் கிருஷ்ணன் டு டேக் கேர் ஆஃப் ஹிஸ் பெட் பேர்ட். Zigzag was the most lovable and harmless bird. Mrs. Krishnan was busy with her paintings. Aravind brought some fruits and nuts to the bird. It deposited them on the chandeliers. It slept and snored loudly. The maid switched on the fan. It was raining papayas splattered on Mrs. Krishnan's painting. So Dr. Krishnan took the bird to his clinic It brought a radical change there. It was kept for another week when Mrs. Krishnan felt that zigzag was a treasure. Moral: when you own a pet, happiness all around. Then, empowered women navigating the world. Third unit, ப்ரோஸில் உள்ள paragraph. அந்த 6-member crew எப்படி அந்த எக்ஸ்பெடிஷனை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணாங்கன்னு. A 6-member crew was selected for a project Navika Sagar Parikrama. INSV Dharani was used for this voyage. The boat had all facilities including eco-friendly resources. The crew had taken more trainings. They were trained to handle the emergencies. They started their voyage from Goa on 10th September 2017. It returned to Goa on 21st May 2018 after 258 days. This expedition proved women empowerment. Then the poem I Am Every Woman. Third unit உள்ள poemல உள்ள paragraph. Every woman has inborn beauty. She is the symbol of power and strength. She cares for everyone. She never quits. She works hard and waits for spring. She is a lioness. She knows the pranksters and ready to thaw and saw them. She has pride and self-respect. She is today's woman. She is optimistic. So love her, respect her, and keep her near. ஸோ இவ்வளவு மட்டும் படித்தா போதும் ஸ்லோ லேர்னர்ஸ். பிறகு பேட்டர்ன் ஓரியன்ட் கொஸ்டினில் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா நீங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக பாஸ் ஆயிடலாம். Thank you for watching.